Welcome to Hatho. I'm Rotili. Today I will demonstrate how to use the Hatho 3D MiniPol Set. This set was developed to facilitate the treatment of small, difficult to reach areas. It may be described as the little brother of our 3D MaxiPol set, which is designed to be used on larger surfaces. Our 3D MiniPol set is designed to be used with a micro-motor handpiece and contains the required tools for the 3-stage polishing procedure: pre-polish, shine polish, and high shine polish. We recommend the use of this set for new 3D printed or conventional dental dentures. After removal from the printer and printing aids, the 3D resin denture is ready for pre-polish using the Hatho 3D MiniPol Set. The printed splint or drill template is ready for pre-polish when the stabilizers are removed and remains are grinded down.
First, we open the MiniPol 54 package. It contains the new combination miniature brush Coco. Its double-coated abrasive woven layers allows, in combination with a lint-grade polishing compound also provided, the properties to achieve a fast and effective pre-polish of the resin surfaces. The handling of these 3D resin dentures, splints or drill templates demands a speed of no more than 8000 RPM to avoid overheating.
Now we see the evenly pre-polished surface, well prepared for our next step, the shine polish. Again, it may be reasonable to consider using the 3D MaxiPol set for larger surfaces.
The MiniPol 33 package contains the materials for the shine polish: the microfiber leather buff 520-22 HP and the polishing compound Polystar Beige, made perfectly to create a professional shine polish. Also, the microfiber adapts very well to the resin surfaces. The frictional heat produced at 10,000 RPM will melt the Polystar Beige polishing compound and release its core ingredients, allowing the Polystar Beige polish to work at its full capacity. The high-quality carnauba wax will now be evenly distributed on the resin surfaces. The microfiber leather buff 520-22 HP works just as well for the shine polish of 3D splints or drilling templates. In order to protect the resin materials from overheating, a maximum speed of 10,000 RPM should not be exceeded.
Now we see the surfaces sealed with carnauba wax. The high shine becomes well apparent on the surfaces. At this stage, the dentures, splints or the drilling templates are ready and well prepared for the final high shine polish. Changing to a different polish compound, it is absolutely essential to thoroughly clean the workpiece in an ultrasonic bath or by steam in order to remove all the remains of the previous polishing stage. The high shine won't be achieved unless the workpiece is absolutely clean. For the same reason, polishing brushes and buffs must always be stored separately.
To start with the high shine polish, we open the MiniPol 12 package containing our reliable Polystar emulsion and the fine cotton buff 150-22 HP. The flexible fibers of this buff will be able to reach almost all surface areas of the workpiece. Only a small amount of the Polystar emulsion is applied to the resin surface in order to complete the procedure of high shine polish. Again, a speed of 10,000 RPM should not be exceeded, as the printed resin is not heatproof.
The result is convincing. Dental 3D resin processed in this way, no matter if dentures, splints or a drilling template, will rarely be affected by dirt or plaque. In the shortest of time, a high shine and evenly smooth surface has been created. That's all for today. For further technical questions, feel free to send me an email at rotili@hatho.de. Until next time, your Rotili